Okay. Hi everybody, I'm Shelby Hartman, DoubleBlind's co-founder and editor-in-chief, and this is Billy, and we're here to talk to you about what happens when dogs eat shrooms. But before we get into that, I want to tell you a little bit about DoubleBlind. In case you don't know, DoubleBlind is a media company and education platform covering all things pertaining to the psychedelic movement. We have courses on how to grow shrooms, how to microdose, how to trip sit, with some of the world's leading psychedelic experts, and all the proceeds from our courses go directly back into funding our journalism and making videos like this possible. So if you're interested in learning more about psychedelics and/or supporting our work, you can check all of that out at doubleblindmag.com. Dogs will eat just about anything. I can attest to that as a dog owner. That first patch of mushies you just found, swallowed before there was even time to chew. 30 minutes to an hour later, you'll find your dog tripping and possibly very sick. So what happens when dogs eat shrooms? We'll be blunt, it's not a good idea to give dogs psychedelic mushrooms, nor is it a good idea to keep psychedelic mushrooms within your dog's reach, where they might accidentally eat them. The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals claims that magic mushrooms may cause tremor and seizure in rare but severe circumstances. The latter can be life-threatening. More often than not, however, your dog may demonstrate many of the same characteristics that intoxicated humans do. Stumbling, dilated pupils, disorientation, panting or increased respiration, and chills or hyperthermia. But that's not all. Your dog may vomit and become physically ill. An intoxicated dog may whine or howl. Your dog may also show signs of anxiety, discomfort, or agitation. Basically a lot of the same symptoms that you'll see if your dog just is sick in general. And so you just gotta keep a close eye on them to decide, is this gonna pass, or do I need to take Billy or Fluffy or whatever the name of your dog is to the veterinarian? It actually might appear like some dogs enjoy the psychedelic state, but there's no guaranteeing that they're having a good trip. And to a dog, a bad trip can be very bad indeed. Pay attention and decide, is this something that needs to be addressed right now? If so, maybe take your dog to the local veterinarian or animal hospital. Or is this something that you think is gonna pass? For more information like this, check out doubleblindmag.com.